Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Soper here with IDLogiq, and today I'm going to show you how to install and set up your IDLogiq account. For iPhones it's simple, go to the App Store, search for IDLogiq, that's IDLogiq, and install. For Androids it's the same, go to the Play Store, search for IDLogiq, IDLogiq, and install. Once the app is installed, you'll simply open the app and go to your profile. Always make sure that the location services are on, so when you're scanning, you know exactly where you are. And then just type in your email and make a password. And it's that simple. Now you can scan NFCs and QR codes and make sure your products are authentic. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Nicole Soper with IDLogiq. Hey everyone, if you need help downloading the IDLogiq app at any point, there is some instructions on the wine hanger here. So follow those instructions, or you can take your phone and scan the QR code and it'll take you directly to the App Store. My name's Nicole Soper with IDLogiq. Thanks so much for watching.